Morning from Costa Rica. This is our last day, and we're gonna start it off right. We're going fishing, and apparently we first sit in the back of this truck and ride to the fishing place. Put your seatbelt on, Lincoln. Good job. This must be where we're going out fishing, and these are our kayaks.
That's me.
Morning, I'm Dan. Now it's time to get into our boat. Where's my backpack? Look at this view. Isn't this just gorgeous? This little cove here. Really not that many people here. Just us and a couple other people out there swimming. I got my life vest on. He said that adults don't have to wear life vests. Safety is important. Second of all, be a good example. Okay, we have officially switched over to this camera right here. This is gonna be our audio and our camera because I don't wanna get this thing dropped in the ocean. Ocean water equals bad news for this guy. We're gonna go paddle out. Woo! Okay, we are heading out to go fishing. Only thing is, as of right now, I do not have a fishing pole, just a paddle. Want to go right, you paddle on the left side. Paddle lesson 101. How's it going, boys? How was the ride out?
Great. I got wrecked by a wave.
Supposedly there's a reef right under us with lots of fishes. You guys take a look and let me know. Fish right here, buddy. But you don't want like tons and tons of string. You want it to kind of feel tight, so in your hand, if the fish nibbles, you feel it, you pull on it, and it hooks it into its mouth. This is my bait right here. I'm gonna drop them down. How many fish have you caught so far?
I had two huge ones on my line.
You lost them?
Yeah. Chop that fire.
Look at all these. I got me a fish. I got me a real fish on the pole. I'm bringing him in. It's not even a pole, it's this little thing. I baited him in, hooked him. Look at him. Oh, hey little buddy. He's got the tiniest mouth ever. Oh, what's that noise you're making? Okay, go back in the water.
Guys, we got a big fish.
Isn't it funny? Here, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
What's it called?
Perico.
Perico. I'm going to call him Perico Suave. That's his name. You gonna throw him back in?
Yep.
Thank you, fish. Gracias, fish.
There we go.
Oh, little guy. And he's off. All right, I caught the first big fish. Apparently, there are mas grande fish in the ocean. But hey, at least I caught one.
Got him.
Lincoln got a fish and it has a big mouth. Wow, Lincoln.
Yeah.
That guy is just big enough to eat your bait.
Trying to fix my paddle and then I felt something.
Maybe make up a better story than that.
I was trying to fix my paddle so it wouldn't fall into the ocean.
Yeah. Oh, that feels his teeth. You feel his teeth? Feel his teeth in his mouth.
I don't want to.
Feel them. Oh, his front ones are super sharp. Look at the top.
Whoa!
See those? Got him.
Be free!
Bye. He saw the guy. He dove down in the water.
No,
And then he hooked him with his hand. He went, and got him like that. That was pretty good, Lincoln. Wow, quite the fishing story.
Where I was just trying to fix my paddle.
He was at least 2 feet big, 2 feet long.
Oh wow, that thing's cool.
We're fish buddies.
Oh, that is sick.
Nice job, Kai. So there's definitely many different ways to fish. You don't need a typical pole. You need some line, you need a hook, a weight on the end, and of course some bait. But this is just a piece of carved wood that they wrapped a bunch of fishing line on. I just threw out the bait down there. We're calling it a wrap for the morning. That was a lot of fun. I caught 2 fish. Now we get to go back and see the family, but what a great experience. Thank you, fish, for letting me catch you. Let's head back into shore. All the way over there. But look how beautiful. Fishing adventure, good, fun little activity. Only takes a few hours in the morning, but super peaceful, even if you don't catch fish. How did you catch it? Let's hear how you caught it.
Okay.
Because the audio might have not have been as good on the GoPro. They might have just heard that you just dropped your hook down, you didn't even know it was biting, and then you pulled it up. So let's hear the true story.
So the true story is, I toppled off my little boat thing, and I swam all the way down, like 20 feet.
Yeah.
And then it was hiding under this rock, and I just grabbed it.
What?
And just yanked it, and just punched it.
You punched it?
I punched it
my
hands, and then I went back up, and I slammed it on the boat, and then I dropped it back in the water.
Wait, didn't I see you at the bottom of the ocean doing the crab rave?
Not me.
I thought that was you. You're like, after you caught it, you put the fish in your mouth, and you're like, beep, 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 beep.
No, I did put the fish in my mouth at one point.
Wait for me, I'm coming. This is how you get in, and everybody else is already in. Or you just sit up here. Look at that bamboo shoot right there. Woo! You can make a nice Filipino house out of that right there.
One heck of a raft.
A whole mansion.
A whole mansion.